Dogs in West Michigan have a reason to wag their tails. CSNIP, a local nonprofit veterinary care provider, is a recipient of a $12,000 grant from the Gray Muzzle Organization. It's a national nonprofit dedicated to improving the lives of at-risk senior dogs.
And that grant, which underwrites fees for vital services like dental care and non-orthopedic surgeries, really underscores the importance of these services, not only for senior dogs, but also for dogs and cats of all ages. So it's a good time to brush up on those important topics. And we use the term brush up intentionally, as our next guest can help pet owners with their dental needs and much, much more. Welcome to the Morning Mix. How are you, Maggie?
I'm doing well. How are you guys?
The operations manager of CSNIP.
Yes.
On our couch. So tell us about CSNIP for those who may not know.
Yeah, so CSNIP is a nonprofit veterinary clinic. We started over 20 years ago as just a spay-neuter clinic, so providing high quality, high volume, low cost spays and neuters. So within the last few years, we've actually expanded our mission to include what we call access to care. So trying to target pet owners who don't have access, whether it's a financial burden or some other barrier, to traditional veterinary care, to make sure that they can still get care for their pets. Within recent years, we've actually expanded into wellness services. So we have a wellness clinic where we offer vaccinations, heartworm testing, treatment for eyes, ears, skin, kind of some basic issues. And then our most recent addition is a program where we can offer low-cost dentals, as well as some soft tissue surgeries.
That is amazing, and so, allows people to be able to have pets who may not normally be able to.
Yeah, exactly.
And talk about dental, because it is so important, and it's probably, as pet owners, I will say I am terrible at it. It's something we all need to probably be better at, right?
Yeah, so dental health is really important, just like our own dental health. If you have, if your pets have dental issues, bad teeth, plaque buildup, tartar buildup, it can cause a lot of other issues. Bacteria can travel and cause other organ issues. So it's important to keep an eye on your pet's teeth, whether that's through regular brushing or whether they're not maybe amenable to that. So you're taking them to the vet and letting the vets kind of keep an eye on it. But it is really important to know the status of your pet's mouth, because problems that you don't know about can cause them a lot of pain, can cause other issues. Sure. So it is very important.
Absolutely. And of course, we've heard of brushing a dog's teeth. I'm familiar with how you might go about doing that, but you're talking cats as well. How do you do this?
Yeah, so for any pet, some pets are going to take to it a little better than others. The key is to pair the teeth brushing with something positive, like treats. So introduce it slowly. Start by just introducing the toothpaste and the toothbrush, pairing it with treats. Let them get used to that. Then kind of slowly put some toothpaste on their teeth. Introduce, they make pet toothbrushes that go on your finger, or like 45-degree angle toothbrushes. So go slow, make it a positive experience, and just kind of go at their own pace. And it's important that you're using a pet-specific toothpaste, because human toothpaste has fluoride in it, which we can't swallow, which our pets certainly can't. We can't have them spit it out like we can. So it needs to be a pet-specific toothpaste, and they are flavored with different flavors, so you can experiment and find one that your pet really likes.
I'm assuming bacon flavor's in there somewhere, right?
Yes,
peanut butter,
definitely.
Right.
What are some indications that pet owners should be looking for to know if perhaps there is a dental issue?
Yeah, so a lot of the most common issues that we see, such as fractured teeth, resorptive lesions in cats, gingivitis, are really easy for pet owners to miss, but the most obvious sign to look for at home is bad breath. If your pet's breath is really, stinky, then that's an obvious sign that there's something going on in there. It could be an abscess, an infection, just a buildup of tartar or plaque that is, causing that odor. So that's kind of the first sign that pet owners should look for.
Okay, the dog breath.
Yeah, I know. The dog breath.
Well, we've always heard that a healthy mouth for humans can lead to a healthy body.
Absolutely.
The same thing goes for your pets. So CSNIP, it can be found right there on Viewpoint Drive in Grand Rapids. Of course, in Fruitport, there are many locations. I think the easiest thing to do is to go to csnip.org.
There you go.
Get lots of information in all their locations as well, or just call the number, 616-455-8220.